Hey guys, how you doing? Really quick, this is a very short video that I'm going to show you how to register and how to use this website, Nationwide Business Development Group. This website was done by our team members, Scott Rowe and Bob Tierney, and they put a lot of the marketing support steps right here into this website. And the only way to be involved with this website is if you are obviously an IMA or have your education and are doing the marketing side. There's a lot of cool information here, but I don't want to just throw you in there because there's so much stuff that you can probably get lost like I did when I first got started. So I want to guide you and I want to make sure that you do the first few steps before moving on to the next one. Okay, so the first thing we're going to have to do is go to www.3030rollcall.info. Okay, most of you guys probably already did this with me when we signed you up. Others I probably didn't because I didn't have the time, but it's very easy. I mean, you're not going to use it anyways right away because there's so much information going on, but it's very easy to do. So when you sign up, you're going to start as a new. You put your information, your email, the same email that you use with your Renata's account, phone number, information, and then participation level. You know, combo, advanced, essentials, IMA, whatever it is. The sign up date, and then you can put in whenever you signed up, and then your Renata's ID number is in your back office in Renata's. So when you sign in into your Renata's in your business center, you go to my account information. Account information. And then it's right there on the very first personal info here with your information and your Renata's ID numbers right here. Okay, so you copy and paste it and put it here. And then Uni says official full name you listed on your contract with Renata. So yeah, this, if you have a nickname or a initial and you forgot to add it in your Renata's, do not add it now. Use the same exact name that you use here. So in my case, I have a middle name, but I never use it. So I just, my account is Hugo Araujo, and that's it. So you go back. Are you qualified? No, obviously, because you're starting. Your enroller's name, that would be me. So you put my my name there. And then your 5-star affiliated is Steve.